That's Pear Davids. It's quite a big deer. These ones are not looking too good because they have something's not quite right with their horns. They seem to have knocked them off or something. But they're big. They're quite a big animal. You wouldn't get on the wrong side of it, or you wouldn't want to get on the wrong side of it. So, nice lilac. This is planted excellently, the Berlin Zoo, better than any Polish one, because, of course, you can. But the maidenhair tree, Ginkgo biloba, which strangely enough is actually native, despite the fact that it sounds so Chinese, Ginkgo, is actually native to Europe, as you see. That's its leaf, and there's, in reality, the leaf of the Ginkgo tree, the Ginkgo biloba. It's what you get a lot of. There's the bark of it, there's the leaf of it. It's not in fruit at the moment, obviously, but and that's an elderflower next to it, in case you're wondering. And here we've got all lovely kinds of ducks and whatnot. The elderflower's got a beautiful fresh smell to it at the moment. Right, and the odd bit of architecture which people also enjoy, quite clearly. There's the China Gate, the Panda Gate, or is it called the Elephant Gate over there? Famous gate to zoo, looking like a Chinese sculpture. And I want to see the pandas if I can. So to see which way they are. So, Sophie, I think it's that way to Panda. I hope we see Panda because, oh, it is there. That's it, look. They're through the bamboo. There's the panda sleeping. I don't know if it's going to sneeze. I could always superimpose a sneeze on top afterwards and jog the camera or something, but that's what you don't see all the time. Sneezing panda. And if I'm not mistaken, it's got grossly engorged testicles. No wonder they don't like mating very much. Somebody's shouting. Anyway, that's a real panda. It's not doing much, just sleeping there. But it's a panda, all right. You don't get many of them around. But what on earth has happened to its poor old testicles? I don't know. I'm just glad mine don't look like that. I'm not going to prove they don't look like that, but you can take my word for it. And there's the back of its head. Poor old sausage. There it is from that side. And despite the fact that obviously they mainly eat bamboo, which is why there's bamboo in there and planted all around it, presumably. I'd like some bamboo for my office, actually. I'll have to get some hold of some. And I won't buy a panda for it, not now that I've seen what they're like. But let's see. Orders might send you. That looks like a very nice kind of cross between an apple and a pear that it's got there, or a very roseate pear, and plenty of carrots. So, and half a beetroot as well. They've given it to get the old diet a little bit more varied there for it. But plenty of bamboo as the staple in there. And it's asleep. So there we are. Probably quite warm for it. Anything that makes a nice noise is always particularly good to film rather than photograph. And these are making some strange noises. It's like a swan. Not your mute swan, obviously, because it makes a noise. Funny little noise it made that had them all laughing. Can I make a noise? Thank you. Oh, that was very kind of you. You understood exactly what I wanted. Thank you for that. Good chap. Alright, that's for the Dr. Doolittles. He's turned around now. Seems to be chewing on something, moving slightly. Yeah, he's got a decent thing. Oh, Sophie, you off again? You can hear some roaring going on over there by the lions. There's some carps going around in the pond here. That's where the aquarium is. You actually have to buy a separate ticket to the aquarium, which we didn't do. So we're not going to go in there. I think that would need more time than we have allowed today. So that'll have to be another occasion, I think, going to the aquarium here. But because either the aquarium or the zoo costs the same amount of money, so obviously the aquarium must be a pretty impressive event if it costs the same as a whole zoo just to keep going. But I seem to have hopelessly lost Sophie. Now that she's got a camera, she's going around doing all sorts of filming. Right, here she is again, next to the African lion. That's looking at you, that is.
A to było takie
He seems to prefer being inside than outside today. Okay, I'm going to go and see what that one's doing that's roaring. I am lion, him you Roy. Come in with me, come in with me. So, I keep getting you lost and it's making me nervous. These are the goldfish. And people are chucking money in. Sophie's photographing the goldfish. These are the lionesses. Oh, there's a lion as well here, with one lioness. Got something to say to me? Just like a big cat, which is precisely what it is.